Hello, so this is the Hornby TTS Class 47 slow running. So I've got it set up on my Z21 as number 47. So if I just play with the slow running, so just got it slow running there. So that's going in reverse. Obviously it's only on my test programming track. It's just one length of flexi track. Just where I take some photos of my locos. So if I just set it going back the other way now, so it should change direction. There we go. It's going the other way. You can see the sleepers moving through. But I think it's had some, I think my friends added some extra weight into the fuel tank, some like alloy wheel weights into the fuel tank underneath, so I think it sticks to the tracks quite well. So I'll just get back here. It's got 24 sound functions. Just stop it there. So that's it. You've seen it going either direction. I'll do it again at the end, but this is the sounds. So the first one is a cold. I'll put it on a cold start. So a cold start is F9. We've got the Hornby Class 47 TTS sheet instructions. So that's all the sound functions there. It's got 20 F20. It says it's got 25, but if you look at F25, is actually a auxiliary, so you could put something else in there, like a smoke generator or something, like to make it look like it's belching out diesel fumes. But if you really wanted, it doesn't have any directional lights. It doesn't have sprung buffers or anything like that. It's just a railroad version. It's the old Lima tooling. Sorry, I'm doing that. It hasn't got sprung doors, it hasn't got sprung buffers. It's only got the old style. Yeah, I think they are NEM pockets though, for the couplings. But if we go put it on F9, that's for cold start, and I'll start it up. So that's it running. And this one, next one is, let me see that on. The horn high-low. Right, I'll turn the sound, the engine sound off. And turn cold start off. And then we'll do the sounds without the engine running, so you can actually hear them. But obviously the supposed to run when you're supposed to hear them when the engine's running. So that's a high low, and then 3 is low high, and then number 4 is brake squeal. Will it do it? Yep. So these are all ones what you play with as you're going along. I don't know whether you know much about sound locos, but this is what you're supposed to play around with them. This next one is F5, which is notch up. You won't hear it because the engine's not running. Right, we'll start the engine again. This is not the cold start, this is just fast start from warm. So here we go, that's it running now. Now if we press F5, it should go faster. So that's notch up. There you go. So the driver is introducing power into the system. And then F6 is to notch it down, so to give it more grunt going up the hill. and then F7 is return to idle. Which I never really think it does anything on F7 with the TTS chips. And then we've got F8, which is thrash. This is thrash. So we're thrashing it, or the driver's thrashing it. You see the Z21 system there. So we'll turn the thrash off. So that's thrash off. F9 is the cold start override, which I did at the beginning. F10. So for the cold start override, what you do is you press that one when it's press F9 when it's not running, and then press 1 and it'll do the cold start. So that's how it works. F10 is the compressor. F11 is a door slam. Just turn the compressor off. Right. Do the door slam again. So that's the door slam, and again. So that's the driver in and out of his cab a few times. F12 is the fan. You can just hear it coming on there. And then it's gone off. F13 is a long horn. And F14 is the low long horn. And we've got the primaries F15. So you really want to be doing that one before you start the engine up. And 16 is what I just pressed, and that's the slow flange squeal, and that just keeps it on going, that one, the loop. Just turn it off. So F18, oh sorry, F16, 17, sorry, is a Spirax valve. The ticking noise where the water is getting drained out of the coolant system. My arm's getting quite tired. So we'll turn the Spirax valve off. 18 is a low horn, short one, and 19 is a high short one. 20 is wagons buffering, and 21 is wagons clanging. (22) coupling, and 23 is a guard whistle. Do it again. And then we got the 24, which is on already, which is the locomotive buffering. So we'll do a quick run through of the slow speed backwards and forwards again. So just change the direction. So we're changing the direction, so it's got to go in reverse. Obviously, forwards. Sorry, that's the fans at the front, isn't it? Roof fans at the front, so it's going to go forwards first. So here we go. So you can see how. It's quite smooth now. And then we'll change the direction and go back the other way. and we'll stop it and turn the engine off. Oh. So that concludes the demonstration of this locomotive. Hope you're happy with it. Thank you very much. Bye.